Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to attempt to do a quick screen protector install for the inner screen on the Pixel 9 Fold by a company called WFTE. Never heard of them before, but let's give them a try. Here's what you get in the box. I was going to attempt to use their cleaning solutions, but they're terrible, absolutely terrible. So I'm just using a generic alcohol swab, which does the trick. And my own microfiber cleaning cloth. Once again, the ones that come within the package are terrible, absolutely terrible. So we give this a quick clean. Yep, I'm happy with that. So let me line that up. Okay. That was tricky. Yeah, but that seems okay. So we have to peel this back and quickly press that down. But let's get all these bubbles out. As many as you can. Okay, here comes the reveal. Well, what can I say? I think my second installation would be almost perfect. Okay, 24 hours later. Yeah, we have a few blemishes here and there. That's my own fault due to poor installation. But we can see a couple of bubbles. One might be a dust particle, but that bubble on the lower part should come out. And as you can see, the rest is looking pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.